Justin Brownlee will not be part of our Southeast Asian Games lineup because Thailand does not allow naturalized players to play in the 5x5 event. You know what time it is? Hands in. Ayan na. Gumalaw na sila. Siyempre, malaking kawalan sa atin si Justin Brownlee. Pre, si Brownlee yun eh. Sure, he's 37 years old but age is just a number as to how clutch JB has been para sa bansang Pilipinas, lalo na sa mga international tournaments. Ngayon siguro para kay Coach Norman Black kasi siya yung magiging head coach ng Gilas para sa SEA Games with a completely different lineup than yung if-field natin do sa FIBA World Cup qualifiers. This is gonna be a challenge for him. Not just for him, pero para sa buong team as well. Kasi let's be real, on paper, kahit na wala si Justin Brownlee, tayo naman siguro ang pinakamalalakas na composition ng mga local players dito sa bansa. Pero para sa Thailand, they did this because they're very much aware that they can secure a podium finish and eventually make things a little bit harder para sa kanilang mga kalaban. I'm not sure if Indonesia still has Lester Prosper pero hindi rin siya lalaro. At malaking kawalan din yun para sa Indonesia. Para sa Pilipinas specifically, considering that we have a lineup composed of players that came from different backgrounds and different teams and yung iba sa kanila baka first time lang nila mga magkakasama, there's at least some work to do. And best believe we are hoping na after FIBA World Cup qualifiers, that's where we go next. That's where we set our sights on. Losing JB tough, but the Filipinos who are also part of the pool are also tough.